Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're gonna be doing a pool cage cleaning here for a customer that we serviced the house about maybe a month or so ago, a month and a half ago. So today we're gonna do the pool cage and the pool deck for him. The pool deck is not that bad, but you know, we gotta get the pool cage done. Holidays is around the corner. Thanksgiving is coming up, so they wanna get it all cleaned up. I've got 2 jobs on the schedule today, but man, this weather here, you guys can see it's cloudy today. It's supposed to rain in the afternoon. Right now it's about 10:30. I'm gonna see if I can get them both done. The next one is very bad, probably one of the worst ones I'm gonna be ever doing on this channel, so you guys stay tuned for that. We're gonna knock this job out here, but before I go, thank you guys for all the support. All the views are going up, subscribers going up, and at 15K we're gonna be doing a giveaway. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna go show you guys what the jobs look like. So this is the house here. We watched it maybe a month or so ago. That was that flimsy balcony I had to go up to clean. A little sketchy balcony. So we are gonna downstream SH on this cage here, which is kind of marked up. Like somebody tried to clean it before. Some of the screens are blown out. You guys can see some rips right here. Look at that. We got some rips right there. Got holes all over it. Look at that. I sent them my screen guy, my man Olsen. He does screens. I think they got an estimate from him. So hopefully he can get them situated soon. We got a little bit of lichen in here. But yeah, a lot of the screens are blown out, man. Look at that. We soft washing, so you know we're gonna try to not stay too close to the screens to make it any worse. But you guys can see there's a lot of algae on here. And in here we got some algae built up on the frame. All that has to be cleaned off. Customer moved some of the stuff out for me. This stuff I'm not gonna move. I'm just gonna clean around it. Look at this cage, y'all. This thing is done. Gotta be really careful. We got that heavy lichen over here, which I hate this kind of lichen in here, man. Because you gotta put a little bit more pressure on that to get it off. Same thing over here. It's all over the middle screens. You can see that beam right there is very dirty as well. But that will clean up easy with downstream. I may grab my pump up that has straight SH and just shoot it on those spots to see if I can get them to, you know what I'm saying, come off the screen easier. Got more algae over here. All right, y'all stay tuned. Gonna get going. Let's get going before this rain starts. My watch won't. Oh, my watch is dead. That's why it's not working. Yeah, my watch is dead. Okay. Okay, now we got the outside and inside sprayed. See all that? I got a little bit too much soap on this thing today. I don't like to use a lot of soap on the screens because it takes longer to rinse off. But it'll be all right. But everything else is coming off easy. As you guys can see, it just comes off like butter. Okay, we're wrapped up. Everything is clean. Make sure I close all the doors. Check out over here. Looking good, looking good. All right, guys, we're gonna try to squeeze the next one in. I feel a little drizzle on me right now. It's 12 o'clock, so we're gonna see what happens if we can get the next one on the schedule. All right, you guys, we're at the second job. Right now, we're still in Carrollwood. I had two of them pretty much in the same neighborhood. I gotta show you guys this one here. This is gonna be a nice, satisfying one. Let's go check it out. All right, this is the cage here. I mean, look at this deck, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, this is bad. We got some algae on the screen. It's raining a little bit, so we got a little bit on the screen. You can still see the deeper stuff. You can see some of the lighter stuff you can't see because it's the screen is wet. I'm gonna go ahead and wash down those PVC chairs for him. It's an older fella. He's been moving this stuff since about 4 days ago, so I'm probably not even gonna charge him for that. I'll go ahead and wash those chairs over there, and as well as those two tables for him. Let me walk outside so you guys can see closer. You guys can see under here it's pretty bad as well. The cage itself up top, I can see some lichen build up, but it's not too crazy. You can see some lichen right here, some white lichen. But I'm gonna show you guys outside. These are the tables I'm gonna wash and the chairs. They're gonna come out really, really good, I'm pretty sure, because it's full of algae. I don't mind this little rain. There's not that many plants around, so we don't have to pre-wet anything. We're just gonna go straight downstream in the cage. Then we'll go inside and pre-treat. I got we got the whole cage soap, got the chair soaped. I'm going to go ahead and rinse the chairs down first outside, let this sit, and come back in here and rinse up, see what we got. Okay, we got the screens clean. Already rinsed the chairs. Those ones over there need a little bit more love. I'm gonna hit those probably with my soft wash hose when I post treat. Pretty sure I'm gonna have lines in here, but this is gonna come out nice. And I already know, guys, you guys are gonna ask about this dirt falling in the pool. When it's something like this that's that bad, there's nothing you can really do. Obviously, you can try your best not to get as much as in the dirt in the pool, but I mean, you're working with water. All right, so what I'm gonna do is when I clean here around the edges, I'm gonna tilt my surface cleaner to push the dirty water that way. Or what I might do is just use my gun to do the edges first and then come do the surface cleaning. Either way it goes, I gotta clean the inside lip of the pool, which is dirty, is really dirty, you guys can see. So we're gonna grab the surface cleaner, we're gonna put y'all on the surface cleaner cam on the mount so you guys can get a, you know, the gist of it. Okay, let's take a look, man. This thing took a while. Let me see how long it took. I got here like around noon. No, a little bit around 1 o'clock. 2:30 right now. Hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes. Let's check it out. Voila! Look at this thing. I didn't even know what color the deck was. Looks like a whole different pool area. Crazy, customer like, you don't get anything in the pool, right? Like, look at this pool deck, man. I mean, this thing hasn't been cleaned in years. It was caked up so much, man. It was at least over an inch of algae that I had to get off this pool deck. Got the screens all cleaned. Got the edges of the pool on the inside. Got those cleaned up as well. They did the chairs already out there. Check out underneath over here. Look at this thing, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Can't beat this with a stick. Alright guys, that's it for the day. Rain cutting me short right now. It's about 3 o'clock. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you learned anything new, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. You guys share the video. I appreciate all the support I get from you guys, man. 15K will be here sooner than later, man. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.